Hey, what's going on? Garrett Barry here. Chances are you're watching this video because maybe you're brand new to affiliate marketing. You heard about this topic from maybe a friend, or maybe you saw a YouTube video that you can make money with this, and you're really researching on how to start it the best way. Well, you're in the right place because I've actually done affiliate marketing full time for the last 5 years now. I've made multiple six figures, and I'm gonna share with you what I wish I would have known many years ago just getting started, and then what I truly believe will get you making money as fast as possible. So the very first thing you wanna do is realize that the riches are in the niches, okay? So what that means is a lot of people, they go out there, they wanna start off with affiliate marketing, and they try to be in every single topic and every single interest out there, and they try to find products and everything and go out to the market and make sales, and they struggle. So instead, what you want to do is realize that the riches are in the niches, meaning you're going to make the most money if you start promoting products in one specific niche, okay? And this can be your passion, this can be something that you enjoy, this can be something maybe that you're learning at the time. That's what I recommend. So for example, when I was starting online, I was researching many different ways to make money online, right? I started watching YouTube videos, I started looking up different information on it, and I started realizing I'm really passionate about making money online. Why don't I go ahead and go into that niche, right? And that's actually why I stayed with the make money online niche specifically, because again, I was passionate about it. So you want to decide, what are you passionate about? What topic can you market products in? Can you enjoy creating content about? Which I'm going to touch on in a second as you keep watching. You really want to think about that. Pick one main niche and then move forward. Now, my second tip for you is that you really want to pick one main traffic source, okay, which is just one main place that you're going to be able to get visitors to check out the affiliate product you're trying to sell. Here's another problem people have. They try to go out there online, and this is what I did many years ago, and I start promoting products on Facebook. And then I watch a YouTube video from a so-called guru, and they tell me, oh, you have to be on Twitter. So I start learning how to do Twitter, and eventually I get very overwhelmed and very confused. So what you want to realize is every top affiliate marketer, virtually every single one, started with one main online website, okay? It could be Facebook, it could be YouTube, it could be Instagram. Again, you want to think about, what are you passionate about? Because one of the ways to really create affiliate sales consistently is by giving valuable content to the marketplace and then indirectly selling towards the end of that piece of content your affiliate product. Okay, you lead with value and then you sell. If you look at every top affiliate marketer, almost every single one has started with one main traffic source, one main online place to get most of their affiliate sales, and then they start spreading out. Now, I just want to share with you one major last tip that I wish I would have known, again, many years ago in wanting to start affiliate marketing and make money as fast as possible. And that is, I highly recommend you look for an affiliate product or an affiliate program to join that has a system in place. What is a system and why do I recommend this? Well, if you're someone that maybe wants to do affiliate marketing because you're working a job, maybe you're at a 9-to-5 job, you're working hours in a day, and you just want to bring in some income, maybe to eventually quit your job. Or maybe you're someone that just doesn't like working that hard and you just want money coming in very passively. Well, if you don't have your own website or your own follow-up sequence in place, then you're gonna struggle to make sales, because the fortune is in the follow-up. Most people that hit your affiliate product sales page is not going to instantly buy, okay? So you have to be following up. You need to be building an email list and really converting these leads over time. Now, again, if you're just brand new, I don't recommend you try to do this all yourself. It can be very confusing and very overwhelming. If you can find an affiliate program that's attached to a system, meaning it comes with a website that you can capture your leads information and follow up with them. A good system has follow-up messages already built inside. So again, if you're a beginner or brand new, you can just send visitors to the link to the system rather than the link to your affiliate sales page, because most people won't buy. You send them to this, and then you let the system do all the telling, all the selling, and following up for you. Okay, well, there we have it. Those are my top tips on learning how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. If you got value, be sure to click the like button, because this tells me you want me to make more affiliate marketing training in the future. Also, be sure to subscribe if you're brand new. I'm gonna be posting weekly videos to really shortcut your results and get you making as much money as possible. And last but not least, though, I do wanna share, if you're someone that wants to find a system as well well as maybe you're interested in making money online and you think, hey, I can promote products like that, I want to invite you to a totally free webinar that a good friend of mine put together about a way to plug into a done-for-you system and start to create affiliate product sales totally on autopilot. Okay, so there's gonna be a link in the description. When you click that top link, it's gonna take you there. Go ahead, check it out, watch that full webinar, learn those secrets with affiliate marketing, and I tell you what, you're gonna be shocked at how much money starts flowing in as you apply that what's taught on the webinar. Okay, so I hope you got value in this video. Be sure you stay tuned for my latest one, and I will see you very soon, my friend. Take care.